past 12, heading towards Natchez. Going right by where we camped on July 4th. And from there, I'm going straight home. So, stupid phone wanted me to go up I-90. Not happening. Now it's telling me to go up Chinook Pass. Not happening. I'll stay on 12 and go through White Pass. Thank you very much. Anyway, stupid phone. But should be home in three-ish hours, 2.5, 3 hours. Should be good. We'll see. But the road trip is finally coming to an end. I don't want to go back to work, but anyways, that's life. Next vacation is in November, so end of November, so I'll make it. Actually flying out on Thanksgiving Day, so for a cruise. Anyway, time to slow down for town, looks like. So I'll be back later. Well, that was fun. Came around a corner a little bit too fast on this lovely forest road, and my cooler ended up over there. It hit the door and busted those rivets right off. It popped the door open and it flew from there. Did a somersault, did a nice somersault, and up over there. Didn't look like anything that's broken, which is good. So anyway, stopped the bus, backed up. Now I guess I'm going to lock it closed with one of these, just like I do at nighttime to keep the door closed. So that was interesting. See if I can do this with the video camera running. There we go. So basically, I'm actually going to close it better than normal though. I'm going to shut this off. Here we go. Okay, so now it's locked and wedged in there nicely, so the doors aren't going to fly open. Latch that. I'm going to take it easy the rest of the way home, I guess. Thought it was taking it easy until that corner. Anyways, fun times. Jeez. And I'm home. So yeah, I'm just going to take the laptop and my phone and the SD card from the dash cam inside, and the rest of it can wait. Lock the bus up and go inside. Here comes fun. I want to take a nap.